Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are doing the actual install on the Better Built toolbox. We've had it in the truck for a couple weeks. If you accelerate too hard, it does move around, it does roll around, even though it fits really snug on the edges. A little top heavy, I could say, but I will show you the bolts I used, what washers I used. It was a personal preference of mine. You can mount it with one bolt, two, you can mount it to the bottom, the back. I wanted mine to remain waterproof, so I used the rubber washers and went through the bottom. So to me, that is the least likely way to get water in it. Tonneau covers, I'm saying it wrong, don't usually work with the roll bar that I have. So we are going to get this installed, get it bolted down. I'll show you what I do along the way. Alrighty, so this is what I'm using. This hex bolt. I'm using some rubber washers, metal washers, and then some lock nuts. And basically I'm putting the bolts, the big washer and the rubber washer, just to soften it in between the metal on the ends. I do have a bed mat which will help pad and everything. It's not metal on metal. It's about a 1/2 inch thick. I'll give you a close-up, but it does allow dirt and stuff to collect in here, so I'm going to sweep this out. And we have multiple holes along the back side. That's for drainage, but that is actually in a piece of channel. I'll show you. So I'm going to drill a couple extra holes. It's not going to make any difference. So we're going to aim for this rib or this one. I'm actually going to drill from the toolbox down. That way I know I'm hitting the right spot. Then I'll reinstall the rubber mat, and then I'll just bust through the rubber mat with the holes that are already in the box. We're gonna black spray paint everything, try to prevent some rust and corrosion. And the same way on this side. So here are the bolts. They're all bolted in. They're just right there on the bottom. I vacuumed everything out. Underneath the truck, not sure how much you can see. Nice and hidden, nice and tucked away. Latches are pretty nice. One latch will open it. You don't have to open them two. Inside's pretty deep. Turned out pretty nice. It does hit on the roll bar here, just barely. When I open it up, I'll show you. So when we bring it up, it hits right there. So almost all the way full. It just clips the corner. I'm not too worried about it. It does go back pretty deep. You have tons of room. There you have it, the install for the Better Built toolbox in the bed. So make sure you like and subscribe, stay tuned, and we will see you on the next one. Tons of cool stuff coming. See you later.